quick one for you is battery repairs. Now, this is a tip for Nicad and nickel metal hydrate batteries only. Never do this with lithium batteries. How to fix them up when they're flat and not taking a charge. 1 bar, not doing anything. You charge it, works for about 2 minutes and it's dead again. How do you fix it and bring back the charge? What you need to do is boost it. What that is actually just charging, draining, charging, draining, charging, draining over and over and over again until you start breaking down the crystal memory inside the battery that's holding back the battery from charging fully. After that, it'll actually take a full charge again and you'll get a full day's work out of it. This one, down at 1 bar. Now, this will only work if your battery is actually working on the charger. Put it on the charger, give it a full charge. This one here is only actually coming up to 1 light. That's as much charge as you're going to take. So once it's fully charged, we'll take it to the next step. That's it. Fully charged. 1 bar. That's all it's taken. It only comes up to 1 bar. Nothing else. Now that it's fully charged, you want to actually drain it completely flat again. All you need for that is a bulb. Just a simple incandescent bulb, 24 volts at least. So this is just a normal lorry bulb, just for brake lights or something. 24 volts. 2 leads soldered on, live in the bottom, just on the side. And 2 thick spade connectors in the bottom, just for clamping on. If you attach it, just a clamp. Clamp that on there. Let that shine away now for as long as it takes to drain the battery. It could be 2 minutes, could be 5 minutes, could be half an hour, depending on how much charge is taken. Drain it completely till there's no light coming out of the bulb at all. Then it's totally flat. After that, we can put it back in the charger, charge it back up again, back onto the bulb, drain it down again. You just keep doing it until you start building more capacity up inside the battery. Could be 10 times, could be 15, could be 20. Keep going until you get as much charge as possible. You start getting all the lights lighting up again. This is where it's important to know what you can use it on. Only ever do this with Nicad and nickel metal hydrate batteries, the old big block batteries. Never do this with a lithium battery. If you hook up a bulb to a lithium battery, it'll just drain it completely and it will never charge again. You will completely brick the battery. This is only for the older Nicad and nickel metal hydrate batteries. Now that's been what, 1 minute? And it's already dumbed down, nearly empty. So let that keep going till the element goes dark and stick it back in the charger. That's it. Totally flat. Now this is the only way to get the ampage back up. You may put a multimeter onto your battery and see it's up at full power. You're wondering what's going on. It doesn't last, but it's full power. You have voltage, you have ampage. The battery can be up at full volts but have no amps at all. As for this is only lasting a minute or two because there's just no amps left in the battery. Because it's been lying for so long and been underused and not been used properly, there's crystals built up inside the cells and the crystals are stopping the battery for taking a full charge. You need to break down them crystals to actually get it charging correctly again. So you can think of the voltage as your engine size and your ampage as your fuel tank. You have as big an engine as you like. You can have all the 24 volts available to you, but if you have no fuel in the tank, it doesn't run. So your ampage is actually how much fuel is in the tank, how long is it going to run for. This here is meant to be a 3 amp battery. At the minute it might be 0.2 of an amp. So keep going to get this up. Now we're at 3 bar. Halfway there. Now, after about, I don't know how many it was, 10 or 12 charges and dust charges, she's now got 5 lights. Whenever I put the bulb on it, she'll keep the bulb going for about an hour and a half at least. Don't know exactly, because I was actually went for lunch before the actual bulb went out. But that's her. That's how you boost your old Nicad batteries if they're not holding their charge anymore.